option of being able to plug in to shore power whenever you're away from campsites or away from a town or whatever. You're out in the middle of nowhere, you're going off grid. Generators are a really great option. This right here is a generator 3000. This is a really great generator if you're wanting to run your AC throughout the night without having to tap into your battery bank. It's not an issue to sit from your battery bank throughout the night, but this is a really good option if you want to keep full power and just use the generator. This will put out about 19.2 amps, and your AC takes about 12 amps to run. And so if you want to set this one at 14 where it's at idle, you're going to be able to charge your battery bank up. This is a really great option if you want to run this as well as use your battery bank in conjunction with the generator. This generator will run throughout the night as long as you are still utilizing some of the energy from your battery bank that has been stored up. The cargo rack it's a really great place to store your generator. You don't have to worry about any gasoline smells on the inside of the van. You don't have to worry about any leaks on the inside of the van. The generators are pretty quiet, but whenever you have the cargo tray, you can swing it away so you don't have to worry about fumes when you're sleeping, and you don't really have to worry about sound either. It allows you, when the generator's stored on here, to open up the doors. Here's an up-close shot of what the two generators look like. The one on the left is the 2200, and the one on the right is the 3000. The one on the right, as you can see, just a bit bigger, a bit more heavy, but it does give off more power and will last a bit longer as well.